This is our assisted chin-up and assisted tricep dip machine. It's great for people who are trying to build up their back and tricep muscles to be able to do pull-ups and tricep dips, but still need a little bit of gradual increase to get there. The tricky part about this machine compared to every other machine in our facility is that the weight is opposite. And what I mean by that is if you weigh 165 pounds, then if you set this at 165 pounds, that means that you are essentially not adding any resistance to your body, and it's going to be easiest. However, if you weigh 165 pounds, but you're only getting 90 pounds of help to hoist you up into your pull up, then that is going to be more difficult. So on most machines, the higher the weight, the harder the exercise. In this case, the lighter the weight, the harder the exercise. So let's go ahead and set this up. We are going to come over here and get started on our machine. Let's do our assisted pull-up first. So I just stepped up here. This is what we're going to set our feet on in order for it to be assisted. This is where that extra weight that we just chose is going to force up against our body. We can have a wide grip pull-up or a neutral grip with a chin-up. So I'm going to set my feet on this, and then it's going to send that weight that I set up towards my body. So it's really not challenging me too much here. I can decrease the weight and get a little bit less help from the machine. The other option is to do tricep dips. So you have these grips right here. You can flip them inward or outward depending on how wide you want your grip. Again, setting yourself on that assistance. Go ahead and bring it down for tricep and then bring it back up. If you are comfortable and able to do pull-ups and triceps without any assistance, and this is just where you want to do your pull-ups, this does fold upward. So it's out of your way and you can do traditional pull-ups as needed.